Looking at rotation and orbital movement, has anyone ever thought that 6 out of 8 of the planets rotating within 30 degrees of their orbital plane might be too much of a coincidence if caused by random collisions during the accretion process?
In the 1850s, Jean-Louis Foucault, of the Foucault pendulum fame, discovered that a restricted gyroscope would align its rotational axis with that of the Earth. The principle of rotational and orbital axes aligning can be seen on this exaggerated demonstration.
If a rotating body travels in an orbit, the outside edge has greater momentum than the inside through leverage. Only one edge can follow the direction of the orbit. To conserve the maximum combined momentum of a planet's spin and orbit, there is a tendency for the orbit and outer spin direction to align in the same direction.
Although bodies in the universe are not restricted by friction like the gyroscope, precessional movement to maintain the original axis requires energy.
This energy loss is reduced the closer the axes align. This is the point of minimal potential energy. This tendency can be seen in 3/4 of the planet's rotational planes, but not, however, with the same degree of accuracy. Why is this? Realignment energy is provided by the spinning body, and the further its equator from the orbital plane,
the more energy is lost maintaining the original axis through precession.
As the spin slows, the gyro stops realigning unless the equator is moved further from the orbital plane.
This demonstrates that it is possible to maintain a retrograde spin which is opposite to the point of minimal potential energy.
This compromise between maintaining an original axis and the point of minimal potential energy gives one explanation for the solar system.
Venus rotates just under 3 degrees from its orbital plane, so loses little energy through precession. It is, however, balanced in the near perfect opposite alignment to the point of minimal potential energy. This may explain why its rotation is slowing.
Mercury, with the lowest prograde angular momentum, rotates closest to its orbital plane, and outside the solar system, the principle covers the unexpected alignment recently discovered in satellite galaxies. Any comments on this subject would be welcome. Thank you for listening.